Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas or winter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use some of the little wood cube blocks from the Dollar Tree and one of these little scarecrow hats I had for fall. I thought this would make a perfect snowman hat. All I did was remove the little patch that was on there, and I'm going to paint mine black just using some acrylic paint to give it that classic snowman hat feel. It was really easy to paint. Just make sure you use a brush so you can kind of get down into all the texture there on the burlap hat. I want to stack 3 of those like rounded little wood cubes from the Dollar Tree. I guess they're like giant dice. And I'm also going to use one of the wood slice ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to stack them a little bit off center, and I do a total of 3 of them. I attach everything with hot glue to make this cute little snowman. And now it's just time to paint. I'm going to paint all of the blocks white. I thought it would be a little bit easier to paint it once they were all glued together like this. And the glue is on the wood and not like on the painted surface. So I just go around all of the surfaces that are visible. We're also going to be adding some snow here to the bottom, but I went ahead and painted that white just in case you can kind of see through any of it. For the face, I'm just using a Dollar Tree Sharpie to do the eyes, the mouth, the buttons, really small dots, and even an orange Sharpie to draw on the little carrot nose. I find that Sharpies bleed less when you're doing a small detailed project like this. And then I just need some little sticks for my snowman arms. I just went to the yard and found some of the smallest twigs I could. I'm just going to attach them with hot glue, and they're so light and small that it doesn't really take much to hold them up. No need to drill or anything like that. Just use hot glue to attach those. Now, of course, I want my snowman to have all of the fun little details that a snowman should have. So I'm going to use some of this ribbon here from the Dollar Tree. It's like a red and black buffalo check for the scarf. The problem is it's just a little bit too wide for the scale of a snowman. So what I did was I cut it in half, and it gave me the perfect size scarf for him. So I'm just gonna wrap that around. I use a little hot glue to make this part kind of go down, wrap the rest of it around his little snowman neck, and use some hot glue to secure it so it will lay properly and look like it's wrapped around his neck. Super easy. Now, I like to add a little snow to my snowman to make it look really cute, a fun detail. To do that, I like to use the Dollar Tree Epsom salt. I combine that with just some school glue. It turns it white, makes it even almost slushy looking, makes it look like real snow. I actually prefer this over the faux snow from the Dollar Tree. I think it works great. I just put some on that wood slice on the bottom and sprinkled the snow all over so it looks like the bottom is snowy. And you know what? You can add details to your snowman too. I'm going to have like little piles of snow, even on like his little stick arms here and there, just gluing a few pieces just to give him a little bit more detail. Here is the hat that we painted. I went ahead and painted the underside black as well, in case you can see that, and just attach it with a little dot of hot glue here to the top. It's a perfect scale for this size snowman. I even add some snow to his little hat here by adding some school glue and some of that Epsom salt, kind of dripping off the hat to give him some fun details. This is how he turned out. He was so easy to make.